Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that in the last session we have completed exercise 6.3, in which we have done division by 10 and 100. Okay, so we have already discussed this topic in the online class as well. So in the today's topic, in the today's session, we will move to the next topic. Okay, so the next topic is division by two-digit number. Okay, so the next topic is division by two-digit number. तो देखिए अभी तक हमने डिवीजन बाय वन डिजिट नंबर किया, ठीक है, जिसमें डिवाइजर, तो यहाँ पर टू डिजिट वन डिजिट जो नंबर दिया होता है बेटा, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिवाइजर. सो पहले हमने डिवाइजर क्या था, वन डिजिट का, दैट मीन्स डिवाइजर हमारा वन था. डिविडेंड वॉज मोर देन वन डिजिट but the divisor was one digit. After that we have done division by 10 and 100, in which the divisor was 10 and 100. Now we are doing division by two digit number. Okay, अब हम division by two digit number करेंगे. This is as similar as the previous division, but the difference is only this कि पहले हमारे पास 1 से लेकर 9 तक के सारे tables थे. Now we will be having the tables that with two digits, जैसे कि 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. तो देखिए up to table 20 everybody is, I hope you all have learnt table up to 20. So in this session we are going to do the division with two digit number, in which the tables knowledge is very much required. Unless and until you don't know the table, you will not be able to do the division properly. So it is very requirement, it is a very necessary beta that you should know द टेबल्स अप टू 20 एटलीस्ट. तो उससे बड़े जो टेबल आएंगे उसके लिए मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे करना है, बट पहले अप टू 20 टेबल यू मस्ट लर्न इट. ओके, चलिए. सो बिफोर वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज 6.4. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द टॉपिक हियर, एक्सरसाइज 6.4, and in this we will do the division with two digit number. So the heading of the first question is, all the questions is divide and find the quotient and remainder. So that means हमें divide करके हुए हमें उसका क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, we have to find the quotient and remainder. Okay, find quotient and रिमाइंडर. हमें डिवाइड करते हुए क्वोशिएंट और रिमाइंडर ढूंढना है ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स. सो द फर्स्ट नंबर इज, सॉरी, द फर्स्ट sum that is given is 819. So we have to divide 819 by 12. So we have to divide 819 by 12. This is the first, 819 by 12. तो हमें 819 को 12 से डिवाइड करना है बेटा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let's do the division. So first of all we are going to write in the format of division. जो division का format है हम पहले उसमें लिखेंगे. Okay, 819 divided by 12. Okay, तो चलिए पहले हम देखिए, इसमें division के लिए we will follow the long method. Okay, so let's write in the format of division. 819 divided by 12. 819 को 12 से डिवाइड करने के लिए you should know the table of 12. आपको 12 का टेबल पता होना चाहिए. तो देखिए 12 के टेबल में 8 नहीं आ सकता, so that means we are going to take both the first digit of the dividend, that is 8 and 1, 81. So 12 के टेबल में 81 या 81 से कम आता है, तो 12 के टेबल में 81 नहीं आता, तो 81 से कम क्या आता है, 12 6 72. 12 6 72. Okay, that is 11. So 81 minus 72, that will be 9. Okay, now bring down the next number. Okay, 9 हमारा आ गया. Then we will bring down the next digit in the dividend, that is 9. So now read the table of 12 where you will get 99 or less than 99. So we will get 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96 minus 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 9 nothing. Now we don't have any number in the dividend, so that means this 3 is the remainder. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, फाइंड द क्वेश्चन एंड रिमाइंडर. So in the previous two exercises as well, I have told you when it is being given that you have to find the quotient and remainder. So that means you are going to write it separately. तो लिखिए quotient is equal to 68 and the remainder. It's a remainder, not reminder. Still some students call it as reminder, but it is not reminder beta, it's remainder. Remainder is 3 and the remainder is 3. So the quotient is 68 and the remainder is 3. So this is the solution of question number 1 of exercise 6.4. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 2. The question number 2 is, sorry, I just table. Okay, 705 by 15. In the question number 2, we have to divide 705 by 15. तो लिखिए 705 by 15. So we have to divide, means that means 705 divided by 15. So let's divide it. Okay, so first of all we are going to write the tableau form or we are going to write the long method. ये जो फॉर्मेट जिसमें हम डिवीजन करते हैं हम पहले वो लिखेंगे. Let's write the dividend, that is 705 and divisor is 15. तो अब हमें 705 को 15 से डिवाइड करना है. सो लेट्स रीड द टेबल ऑफ 15. सो देखिए 15 we can't divide 7 with 15, so we will take both these number, that means we will take 70. ओके, सो 15 के टेबल में 70 या 70 से कम, यस. 15 4s are 60. 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75 हो जाता है. सो 15 4s are 60. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 70 minus 60 is 10. Now let's bring down the next digit, that is 5. So now we have to divide 105 with 15. तो 15 के टेबल में 105 आता है, yes, definitely आता है. किस पे आता है? 15 7s are 105. 15 7s are 105. Okay. Now we don't have any digit in the dividend as well, so that means the remainder is 0. Cross ho, 0 ho, they both are same thing. Now we will write down the quotient and the remainder separately. Quotient is equal to 47 and the remainder is equal to 0. जब क्रॉस लगा रहे हो या 0 भी लगा सकते हो बेटा, so that means your remainder is 0. Quotient is 47 and the remainder is 0. This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 6.4. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 3. So in question number 3 we have to divide 911 by 19. Okay, so in question number 3 we have to divide 911 by 19. This is question number 3. 911 by 19. तो 911 को 19 से डिवाइड करने के लिए लेट्स राइट इट 911 divided by 19. So let's divide it. So first of all we are going to write in the format 911 divided by 19. Okay, हमें 19 के टेबल को रीड करते हुए वी हैव टू डू द डिवीजन ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 9 कैन बी डिवाइडेड विद 19, सो वी विल टेक टू नंबर्स दैट इज 91. सो 19 के टेबल में 91 या उससे कम कहाँ आता है? तो देखिए 19 फोर्स आर 76. देखिए 19 फाइव्स आर इज 95. ओके, सो 19 fours are 76. Okay, that means 11. This will be 8. 11 minus 6, 5. 8 minus 7, 1. So 91 minus 76, that is 15. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 1. So the number became 151. So now we will divide 151 with 19. So let's read the table of 19 where you will get 151 or less than 151. Okay, so 19 के टेबल में 151 या उससे कम कहाँ आता है? 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152. So 152 is more than 151. So we will move backward. 19 sevens are 133. 19 sevens are 133. Now let's find it, the difference. That will become 11. This will become 4. 11 minus 3, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 1, nothing. So this is, now in the dividend we don't have any other digit, so that means this is our remainder. So the quotient is 47, whereas the remainder is 18. So I'm just writing it here. Quotient is equal to 47 and the remainder is equal to 18. Okay, the quotient is 47 and the remainder is 18. So this is the solution of question number 3. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 4. In question number 4, we have to divide 1488 by 11. Divide 1488 by 11. This is question number 4. 1488 by 11. Okay, 1488 को हमें डिवाइड करना है 11 से. So 1488 divided by 11. Okay, so let's write it in the format. 1488 divided by 11. Okay, 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 1, nothing. Now bring down the next number, that is 8. Now number became 38. So 11 threes are 33. 8 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 3, nothing. Okay. Now bring down the next number, that is 8. 11 fives are 55. 11 fives are 55. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 5, nothing. Now we don't have any other number in the dividend, so that means this is the remainder. The remainder is 3 and the quotient is 135. Quotient is 135, whereas the remainder is 3. तो लिखिए quotient, write down quotient is equal to 135, whereas the remainder is 3. The quotient is 135, whereas the remainder is 3. So this is the solution of question number 4. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 5. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. So in question number 5, we have to divide 2387 by 14. 2387 by 14. So let's divide it. 2387 by 14. ये number है? Yes. Okay, so we have to divide 2387 divided by 14. Okay, तो करिए. So first of all, write it in the format of the division. 2387 divided by 14. So let's read the table of 14 for doing the division. So 14 के टेबल में 23 और उससे कम. 14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14. So let's minus 14 from 23. This will become 13. This will become 1. 13 minus 4, 9. 1 minus 1, nothing is left. Now we will bring down the next digit, that is 8. So 14 के टेबल में 98 या उससे कम आता है? Yes. So 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. 98 minus 98, nothing. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 7. Okay, तो देखिए हम जब अब now we can we divide 7 with 14? Yes. By 14 zeros are, याद है जीरो को कॉन्सेप्ट हमने किया था. 14 zeros are 0. 7 minus 0, 7. So we don't have any other number. That means this 7 is our remainder. And the quotient is 170. Don't forget to the zero concept of 0. Okay? चलिए, so let's write down the quotient and remainder. The quotient is 170, whereas the remainder is 7. The quotient is 170 and the remainder is 7. So this is the solution of question number 5 of exercise 6.4. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, this is the solution here. चलिए, moving next to the question number 6. Now we will move to the question number 6. So let's do question number 6 now. In question number 6, we have to divide 8709 by 16. Question number 6, we have to divide 8709 by 16. तो करिए, 8709 by 16. Okay, 8709 divided by 16. तो करिए, 8709 डिवाइडेड बाय 16. तो 16 का टेबल को रीड करते हुए वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट. चलिए, 16 5 ज़ा 80, 16 6 ज़ा 96. तो 96 87 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. 16 5 ज़ा 80, 16 5 ज़ा 80. So 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 8 9. Now we will bring down the next number, and this number is 0, and when we bring it down the number will become 70. So now let's read the table of 16. So 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. 70 minus 64. Okay, this will become 10. This will become 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 6, nothing. So here we are having 6 now. Now we have one more digit in the dividend, so we will bring down that as well. That is 9. The number became 69. So now we have to divide 69 with 16. So again, 16 4s are 64. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 6, nothing. So do we have any other number? No. So that means this 5 is the remainder. This 5 is the remainder. So I'm just going to write down the quotient and remainder. The quotient is 544. This is the quotient, and the next is remainder. The remainder is 5. Quotient is 544, whereas the remainder is 5. This is the solution of question number 6. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. The solution of question number 6. Chaliye, moving next to the question number 7. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question, that is, okay, question number 7. Question number 7 is, in question number 7 we have to divide 7604 by 17. 7604 divided by 17. Okay, तो करिए, करते हैं. चलिए, so that means we should know the table of 17 for this. 7604 should be divided by 17. देखिए, 7604 divided by 17. So let's write it down like this. 7604 divided by 17. Okay, तो 17 का टेबल रीड करिए जहाँ पे 76 या उससे कम आता हो. सो देखिए, दिस इज 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are that is 81. Okay, तो 17 4s are 68. Okay, 6 minus 8 2, 7 minus 6 2. So 17 4s are 68. 17 4s are 68. Sorry, I have just मेरे को लगा गलती. That is not 22. देखिए 17 4s are 68. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so it is going to borrow from here. This will become 6 and this will become 16. 16 minus 8 8. 7 minus 7 6 minus 6. Nothing is left. Okay. Now we will bring down the next number from the dividend, that is 0. Now the number became 80. Okay, so now we have to read the table of 17. So 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 81. Again, this here we are 80 and 81 is greater than 80. So again we will take 17 4s are 68. 17 4s are is 68. So this is 10. This is 7. 10 minus 8 2. 7 minus 6 1. Now bring down the next number, that is 4. So अब हम एरो देखिए, एरो डालना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा. अगर आप एरो डालना भूल जाओगे ना तो देखिए हो सकता है आप कर लो बिल्कुल सही है, बट समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि कुछ बार आप ऐसे लिखते हो दैट इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर टू द टीचर कि आपने क्या लिखा है. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू शुड शो दिस. जब थोड़े बड़े हो जाओगे, व्हेन यू विल गो टू सीनियर क्लासेस, देन नो, तब आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. दैट बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम आप ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस कर करके परफेक्ट हो चुके होगे. सो फॉर द राइट नाउ यू हैव टू मेक दीज एरोज इन ईच एंड एवरी डिवीजन. क्लियर? चलिए, सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग 124. सो 124, 17 7s are 119. तो लिखिए 17 7s are 119. Okay, this will become 14. This will become 1. 14 minus 9 5. 1 minus 1 nothing. 1 minus 1 nothing. So we don't have any other digits in the dividend. So that means this 5 is our remainder. This 5 is our remainder. So let's write down the quotient and the remainder separately. Okay, so now we are going to write down the quotient and the remainder separately. Quotient is equal to 447. This is the quotient, whereas the remainder is its remainder. Okay, remainder is 5. The quotient is 447, whereas the remainder is 5. This is the solution of question number 7 of exercise 6.4. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. So with this we have completed 7 sums from exercise 6.4. Okay, so and in this exercise we are having 15 sums. So rest of the sums that we will discuss in the next session. But yes, there is a but. Okay, अगर आपको ये concept समझ में आ गया है that how to do the division of 2-digit numbers, so you can try these sums by yourself. तो अपने आप try करिए, so that is वो better. आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी साथ साथ हो जाएगी. तो बेटा देखिए, आपने देखा होगा डिवीजन करने के लिए यू शुड नो अप टू टेबल अप टू 20. देखिए 20 के बाद मुझे पता है 22, सो 20 के बाद के टेबल्स की भी हमारे पास डिवीजन है, बट दैट वी विल कैलकुलेट. लेकिन जितने सम्स का हम ऑलरेडी आ सकता है तो उनका तो हम इजीली कर सकते हैं ना. सो इसलिए यू शुड लर्न बाय हार्ट, ओके, टेबल अप टू 20, so that you don't face any kind of problem while doing the division. Okay, so in this session we have done question number up to question number 7 of exercise 6.4. Rest of the questions we will do in the next session. So for today I'm ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.